press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our social study class. Dear children, I hope that the chapter The Northern Plains was clearly understood by you all. And by now we must be versed with the new term. You came across the chapter. Now are you ready to explore new term? Yes, I know that you all are ready to explore it, isn't it? Yes. So now we came to know the next chapter. Yes, the Western Desert. So here Western Desert, it's our new term, isn't it? So here Western Desert, you must heard about the desert. I hope that you all heard about the desert, isn't it? So here you if not, I will take you, okay, I will take you land where there is a less vegetation and then less rain, okay. So here desert means we just imagine that desert gets less rain and also less vegetation, isn't it? Yes, I am talking about the Western Desert, okay. Now are you heard about the Rajasthan state? Yes, I already told in the previous class. Yes, so we all had read and learned about the Rajasthan, isn't it? So Rajasthan is our, yes, biggest state, okay, in our India. All you heard now, Rajasthan state? Yes or no? Yes, I hope that you all understand, all are heard about the Rajasthan, okay. So here, and we know that Western Desert. So generally we all know that Western Desert, isn't it? So in our previous class I already told that there is a 5 physical features, isn't it? We all have, in our India have the 5 physical features. Which are there? Yes, first one is the Northern Mountains, Northern Plains and the Western Desert. Yes, Southern Plateaus and then coastal lines and then islands. These are all the 5 features of our India, okay. So we already studied about the Northern Mountains and then Northern Plains, okay. I hope that you all clearly understood, okay. So here we already studied about the Northern Mountains and then Northern Plains, okay. Let's learn about the Western Desert, okay. Just explore the new things, okay. So here Western Desert, so you all heard about the desert, okay. So here in the Western means is we can say it, Western means it comes in the west side, okay. So here we Northern Himalayas, okay, Northern Plains we already studied, okay. Here Western Desert, okay. This is the 4 direction. You all know it now? Yes. So here Western Desert. What is desert? You know what is desert? Yes, a desert is a flat area. So desert is a flat area covered with loose sand. So desert covered with the loose sand, okay. And then India has a huge desert, okay. India has a huge desert. So area of western part is we can in the western part we can see the Western Desert, isn't it? So here Northern Plains. After that Northern Plains, okay, here the Northern Plains. Now after that Northern Plains we can see the Western Desert. Here it is, here the Western Desert also called the Thar Desert. Thar Desert, T-H-A-R, Thar desert. Okay, it's also called Thar desert. Okay, it stretches from where? Yes, it stretches from the run of Kutch. Okay, run of Kutch, and then in run of Kutch in Gujarat. Okay, after that Gujarat here now, so it stretches from run of Kutch in Gujarat, and then to border of Haryana. We can see the Haryana here in this part now. So it covers a large part Rajasthan. So the western desert cover the large part of Rajasthan. Okay, so it stretches from run of Kutch and in borders of Haryana, and then large part of Rajasthan. We can see the desert. Okay, so here there are small hills of loose sand. So here we can see the small size of loose sand. You all know the sand now? You all saw the sand now? Yes, sand, loose sand we can see in the desert. Okay, so here in the desert we can see the loose sand in a desert. Okay, there are many shapes. We can see it in many shapes. Loose sand in the many shape. Okay, we can't see in particular shape. Okay, so it's we can see them many shapes in the western desert. Okay, here hot and dry winds, yes, blow here. So hot and dry winds blow here. Where? In the western desert. Okay, hot and dry wind. They carry large amount of sand. So hot and dry what winds flow now. So it carries what it carries? It carries sand. Okay, large amount of sand. So from one place to another place, it carries the sand now to one place to another place. Okay, the winds can move sand dunes from one place to another place. These hot and dry sands move the sand one place to another place, and it's form sand dunes. Okay, so here there are very few streams in the desert. We can see the very few streams in the desert. Okay, in beginning also I already told you now, there is a less vegetation and also there is a less, yes, rain. So here only we can see the few streams here. Okay, few streams in the desert. Okay, mostly it's remain very dry, and Rajasthan remains very dry, isn't it? So at some places underground water can also we can see here. In some places of Rajasthan we can see the underground water. Okay, here it comes in the surface. So it comes in the surface. Okay, these places are called oases. That where the water get now in the surface, so that places is called oasis. Okay, so oasis, that place is called oasis. So for example, this is oasis. Okay, it's here in the, it's acquired in the surface now. So here the water, underground water we can see, isn't it? So here, so that places is called oasis. Okay, that places is called oasis. Okay, so here in the oasis places we can see the date palms. Okay, we can see the date palms here. So date palms need little water now. Okay, so here, so in this oasis place we can see the date palms here. Okay, and grow here. It's grow here around the oasis. Oasis places, if their water is there, means it is fertile, isn't it? So in that fertile soil we can see the oasis here. Okay, and we can see villages here we can see the villages here. Okay, in this fertile places we can see villages. Okay, near oasis, in this oasis place we can see the villages here. Okay, so here the desert regions, what happened, remains every time hot and dry. It's remain hot and dry throughout the year. Throughout the it's remain hot and dry. So in the northern mountains, what happened? It's covered with the snow throughout the year. But here in the western part, we can see that there is a less vegetation and then less rain. So it is hot and dry throughout the year. It's remain hot and dry. Okay. So here the sun heats the sand. So if you go to the beaches, okay, you can see the sand. So what happened? We can't put the, yes, we can't put it now. We have to wear the chappals and shoes, isn't it? So it's remain hot. So sun, what happened? It's what happened? Yes, the sun heats the sand. Okay, sun heats the sand. So the sand becomes, what happened? Yes, it becomes hot very quickly. So this sand becomes very hot very quickly. It becomes hot. Okay. It also and also what happened? It also cools down very quickly. It takes less time to hot and also it takes less time to cool, isn't it? Okay. And then here at night the sand becomes cool very quickly. Okay. These days in summer are very hot and dry. So here we can see the way in summers hot and dry. It's became hot and dry. Okay. So here in the summers are very hot but nights are very cool. So nights are very cool here. Okay. The hot dusty winds blow all over the day in summer. So it's blow. Okay. And here in winter, so in summer we can see that hot and dry, but in the nights it's cool very quickly. So in winter what happens? Yes, in winter these days are warm, but the nights are too cold. So nights are very cold here. Okay. And then this climate in the desert swings between what? Extremes. So here in the it's became very extreme. Climate became very extremely, yes, extremes. A hot and dry climate means a big tree. So here we can't see the big trees here also, isn't it? We can't see the big trees. Okay. Here the climate in the desert swings between extremes. So a hot and dry climate means that big trees cannot grow here. So here we can't grow big trees here in the desert area. We can't grow big trees in the western part. Okay. So here so only plants that can survive on the little water. So some plants need plenty of water and some plants need little water, isn't it? So the trees can grow here. Okay. So our plants that can survive on little water grow here. Okay. Such plants are so many plants need little water, isn't it? Like cactus plants. Okay, cactus plants, and then so many plants we can see here. Okay, in the western part. So already I told you now, in the western, in the desert area they will get less rain. Okay, here there is very little rain. on any desert. So not only in the western desert, any desert can get little rain. Okay, here there are few deep wells at some places. So some places we will see well. Okay, so here so water is always in short supply here. So in generally we can say that so water is very little here. So water is little means we can't grow the plants here, isn't it? So here we can say that water is very little here. Okay, and then so here village women walk long distance to get the water. If they want water means they have to walk long distance. Okay, so village people can't get the water properly. They can't get the water properly. They have to walk on long distance. Okay, so here to get the water. Okay, water is very important to us now. So if they want water means they have to walk long distance to get the water. Okay, and here water is very important to us now for domestic use. Yes, so here they get little water. Okay, here the state government of Rajasthan is trying to provide water. So here I already said in previous class now. So here state government is providing water for Rajasthan and for household use, but also to irrigation. So and also for domestic use and also for irrigation. Rajasthan providing water. Rajasthan government providing water. Okay. So water from river Satluj. You all heard about Satluj river now? Yes, Satluj river. It's originated from the northern part of our India. Okay. So from the Satluj river, what happened? Yes, they are getting water now. Yes. So Satluj river has been brought to the desert. So Satluj river brought water to the desert area. Okay, and here what happened when we brought water? Yes, what happened? Yes, they will get water. Okay, so from the Satluj river through canal they are providing water through canal. Okay, so also called the Indira Gandhi canal. So already I told you now, here they are providing water from Satluj river to Rajasthan. Okay, already you heard about the Indira Gandhi canal. Okay, here the people of Rajasthan getting water. Okay, here the canal is helping farmers to grow different crops. So that canal is helping the farmers. Okay, if there is a scarcity of water means we can't grow the plants, isn't it? It's too much problematic to us. So this canal is providing water to Rajasthan. Which canal? Indira Gandhi canal through the Satluj river. Rajasthan government is providing water. Okay. So the help of this canal, farmers what they are doing? They are growing the different kinds of crops here. Okay. So like wheat, jawar, bajra, and it has made large parts of Rajasthan green. So that canal makes large part of Rajasthan makes green. Which canal? Indira Gandhi canal makes Rajasthan green. Okay. So here so here the places which get very little rainfall gradually became deserts. So if this desert means the place where they get the little rainfall gradually becomes, yes, desert. So it's became desert. Why the desert is happening? Why? You have any idea why the desert is happening? Yes, for cutting of trees. For cutting of trees. Okay. So here cutting of trees and overgrazing. So overgrazing also causes the desert, and cutting of trees is also causes the desert. So here are the reasons for spread of desert area. These are the two reasons for spreading of desert area. Okay. So here in this part, life in this region. Now we will going to study about the life in this region. So here life in a desert area, how the people live, okay, what they eat, which language they speak, okay, and how what kinds of cloth they are wearing, okay. So life in the desert is very hard. So it's very hard in the life in the region. Okay. So people near rear goats, sheep, okay, and then camels. So here we can see the camels in the desert area. So they keep on moving from one place to another place. So Rajasthan, what the people do, they keep on moving one place to another place, okay, in the search of food. In the search of food, they go one place to another place. But we are, what happened? But we are, yes, staying at one place. But the Rajasthan people move one place to another place, okay, in search of food. So here fodder and grass, the people are called banjaras. So these people, the people can't stay in one place now. So in search of food, they are moving one place to another place now. So the people are called banjaras. Banjaras, okay. Some of them are called blacksmiths. So some are called blacksmiths, okay. So here they make and sell iron articles. So here, so blacksmiths, what they do, they make iron, what so they make iron, they make and sell iron articles, okay. So here they travel from village to village. So they travel village to village to decorate cards, and they are called, yes, Gudiyala Luthar. So here, so in camels are most, the camels we can see in the desert area, okay. So camels are the most useful animal in desert. So why it is most useful in the desert? Yes. So here they have padded, yes, feet. They have the, camels have the padded feet, and which makes it easy for them to walk, isn't it, on the sand. So that the camel can easily walk. So why? Because they have the padded feet, okay. So here they are used by the Rajasthan farmers in their fields. So the what Rajasthan farmers using the camels in the field, and for carrying heavy goods. So here in the Rajasthan, they farmers use the camels, okay, for carrying heavy goods. They are also used for group of people for traveling long distance across a desert. And also the Rajasthan people traveling one place to another place. So with the help of camel, they are moving one place to another place. They are traveling, isn't it? Such groups are known as caravans. So that groups are known as caravans, okay. So here the camels is rightly called the ship of desert. So which is a ship of desert? Yes, camel is the ship of desert, okay. The people of Rajasthan So here in the people of Rajasthan, they wear very colorful clothes. So you all saw about the Rajasthan people now. What they do, they wear very colorful cloths, and they wear long, the women wear very long and bright colored skirt and lehenga, a blouse and chunni or odni they wear now. And then the men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. They wear the turban, okay, which is worn in a particular manner, more like a headgear. So they wear headgear like a headgear, okay. The people speak Hindi, Rajasthani, okay, dialects, Rajasthani dialects, okay. So here people speak Hindi and Rajasthani, okay. So they celebrate many festivals and fetes. Here they celebrate many festivals and fetes here. They celebrate Dashera, Diwali, Holi, Eid, okay, Tej, and also they celebrate many special festivals, okay. So here and also what they do, they here Gangrus is celebrated in March. So in the March they celebrated one festival, okay, in the month of harvesting. So month of harvesting, March is called as the harvesting month, okay. When okay, so here Tej comes in July, August. Tej celebrate in July and August, the month of rains. So they celebrate month July and August, okay. All women are seen are the swings, the special makeup, and we can see that they wear bangles, okay, bangles, and then they dress up, okay. So they wear the colorful clothes in the Rajasthan, okay. So people love singing and dancing like Ghumar. So the special dance is like Ghumar dance. So is popular dance in Rajasthan. So Ghumar dance, you all heard about the song, I think so, okay, Ghumar dance, okay. So here this Ghumar dance is popular in Rajasthan. Katputli, so a puppet, they play with the Katputli is famous here. So where this famous? Katputli is famous place of Rajasthan, are famous all over India, okay. So here famous in all over India. So Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. So Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also called the Pink City. Jaipur is also called as the Pink City, okay. Rajasthan is famous for its palaces and then temples and then forts. We can see here there are so many dynasties are there. We can see that there are so many dynasties rule there, okay. So that's why there we can see the so many palaces, okay, and then forts here, okay. So here, so we can see the other important places here like Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Sodapur, okay, and Bikaner. So many important cities we can see here in the Rajasthan, okay. The region has number of forts and palaces built here, okay, by the Rajput kings. There so many palaces and forts are built by Rajput kings. I already told you now, there so many kings are ruled here, okay. So who ruled in this region long ago? So long ago we can study in the higher class. There are so many kings are ruled here in the long ago, okay. So a large number of tourists from all over India, all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. So here for seeing the forts, palaces, okay. So all over the world, so many people visit in to Rajasthan every here. Okay, so this is all about the Western Desert. So here I hope that you all understand this Western Desert. Okay, so here so in this class we all studied about the Thara Desert. Okay, and then life of the people who live here. So this is all about the Western Desert. Okay, I hope that you all understood. Thank you.